Hello? Something I learned about myself this year, mathematics-wise, would be that answers don't always come to me at once. Sometimes I can look at a problem and see it worked out in my head, but others can stump me for a while. I can stare at some problems for several minutes, and the right path won't be clear to me when I want it to. Then, at some random point in the future, it hits me when I least expect it. One thing I learned and doubt I will forget from this year would definitely have to be the unit circle. Even though it's a pretty simple concept, we're going to be getting a ton of use out of it in AP Calculus. We've done a good amount of work with it this semester, and from what I've seen and heard, it's certainly not something we'll want to forget about either. A subject we went over this year that I can say I enjoyed learning about was trigonometric functions. As a whole, I think they're rather interesting because they're present almost everywhere in a way. From the waves of light radiated by the sun to the current running through our walls, and even the voice coming from this projector, sine and cosine waves are integral to our lives. One topic, I would have to say, was among the more painful to learn, on the other hand, was establishing identities of trigonometric functions. It's understandable, but is rather frustrating when you run into dead ends and aren't totally sure where you can backtrack to without getting lost again. All the same, one place in which establishing these identities has use is in architecture, where determining the proper sizes and proportions of things is critical to successfully creating blueprints.